Hi, my name is Dustin Van Velzen. I'm a structural BIM leader out of the Austin, Texas office. So what is a drone?
A drone is a robot that can be remotely controlled or operated autonomously using onboard sensors and a global positioning system. What types of drones does WGI utilize? The WGI fleet includes vertical takeoff and landing drones, including DJI Mavic 2.
What can an aerial drone provide?
The WGI aerial mapping team can rapidly deploy and capture imagery supporting a wide range of client applications. Deliverables can include color imagery, infrared imagery, thermal imagery, orthophotography, elevation models, volumes, point clouds, 3D models, and video.
All of our deliverables are CAD or GIS ready. What does the future hold for drone services? WGI Buildings aims to utilize drones for capturing LiDAR scans at key points during the construction process, generating point clouds that, when combined, form a comprehensive as-built digital model. Furthermore, we envision the drone technology to bring additional advantages, such as reducing on-site time and enabling engineers to remotely examine various on-site conditions safely. Where can WGI provide drone services? Our drone fleet is currently located in Austin, Charlotte, and West Palm Beach offices, but the WGI fleet is always growing. Contact us on our website to see how WGI can assist you today.